Hello learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Zoe, and today we want to look at how we can do solving, or how we can find solution for simultaneous equations using elimination method. And before we continue, I would like to request you to subscribe to my channel. Now the question here is: solve the following simultaneous equations using elimination method. We are having 3x minus 2y equals to 7. That is equation 1. And then 5x plus y equals to 3. That is equation 2. How do we solve or work out these simultaneous equations using elimination method? Elimination method, it means we are either going to eliminate x in our equations, or we are going to eliminate y in our equations, but we need to know how we can do it. Now in this case, I want us to eliminate y so that we remain with x, and we find the value of x. Once we find the value of x, we substitute it in our equations and find out or confirm if it gives the right value. Now let's do the elimination. How do we eliminate y? First of all, we get to make it in a way we are going to have this value, and then if we add this value, it gives us 0. So it means we are going to interchange, so that in our equation 2, we are calling this one equation 2, and we are calling this one equation 1. We shall make such that we take a value here, let's say a coefficient for y, which is 1, we multiply it in equation 1, and then coefficient of this one here is negative 2, but let's multiply by 2, which is times 2 in the second equation. So 1 times 3x gives us 3x, then minus 1 times negative 2y, which is 2y, equals to 1 times 7, it gives us 7. So 2 times 5x, it gives me 10x, then plus 2 times 2y, it gives you plus 2y, equals to 2 times 3 equals to 6. So we are going to add these two equations so that we eliminate y. If we add, this one gives us 13. Once this one gives us 13, negative 2y plus 2y gives us 0. 0 plus, and 3x plus 10x is 13x. So 13x equals to 13. If we divide both sides by 13, it gives me the value for x, giving us 1. So we take 1 and substitute it in our equations, where x we put 1 and we find the value of y. In our first equation, if we substitute 1 here, it means we are going to have 3 into 1 minus 2y equals to 7. And this one is 3 minus 2y equals to 7. Collect like terms, 3 crosses the equal signs, and it becomes negative 2y equals to 7 minus 3, because if 3 crosses the equal signs, it becomes negative. So this one is negative 2y equals to 4. Okay, it equals to 4. If we divide both sides by negative 2, our y becomes negative 2, because 2 goes here and it cuts through, and this one divides it into 4 as 2, and we maintain our negative sign. So if we take 1, we put it for the places of x, of 3x. That means minus, let's just use the first one. We are saying that we want to confirm our equations. The first equation was 3x minus 2y equals to 7. We have said that if we take x, which is 1, we put it here, it gives you x times 3 minus 2. We are saying y is negative 2. Let's see if it gives us 7. This one is 3, and minus 2 times minus 2 is positive 4. If you add, you should get 7, so it confirms. Next, for equation number 2, because it's 1, equation 2 was 10, not 10, 5x plus y equals to 3. Now, it means we are saying 5 multiplied by 1 plus negative 2 should give us 3. This one is 5, plus minus is minus 2. It gives me 3. So this one again, it confirms. So this is how we solve these two equations using simultaneous equations. We eliminated using elimination method, these two simultaneous equations. We solve them simultaneously by eliminating one of the unknowns. And here we eliminated y first of all, then we got our value for x, which was equals to 1. Then we substituted it in one of the equations. We got the value of negative 2, which if we take positive 1 and negative 2, we substitute in these two equations, we get the answers as it has been confirmed. Thank you very much for watching how we can do the simultaneous equations or solve them using elimination method. Have a nice time, but please subscribe to the channel.